Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR or ZIP files packing or unpacking app on your OPPO Find X5 Pro. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and we will need to search for an app. So right here write RAR and hit the search button. Now press on this app and click install. After our installation process is complete, we can open the app, and first thing we'll need to allow the access to all files for our RAR app. So find it right here, press on it and allow access to manage all files. Go back, dismiss, and the app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.